Hello people, this is my review of hood struts for a Lexus GS 300, 400, 430. Bear with me, one hand in this. Bought these off Amazon. I think they were $26 and some change. Let's see if I can open this to you. Like so. Organized. I need something to hold this stuff. Little battery mode. Go. And have the little clip that the ball should go into. Yeah. Okay. You will need a 12mm open-end wrench to undo these bolts. You want to first put something to prop the hood up so it will not fall on your head. I'm gonna give a try at. That's probably not gonna work. That's too long. Let's try to find something else. Okay, I found a piece of wood that looks like it will work. So let me take these things off and see what we can figure out. Okay, we're still working on it. Pro tip, put the bolts with the head on them that are supplied with the unit, go ahead and screw them into their correct places, and then you can just pop the struts on there instead of trying to pop them into the strut and then try to tighten them with them connected. It's unnecessary. So go ahead and put the bolts in, and then you can just pop the strut on, and there you have it. And once you've got these bolted in, you can just pop the strut on and you don't have to worry about doing it more complicated. Let's see if we can pull this off without killing myself. And I'm just taking this thing and popping it right on. That's all you have to do. Go down here at the bottom, twist this puppy a little bit, and then you're just popping it on and you're good to go. Just repeat on the other side and you are done. There you have it, folks. Brand new hood struts. Thing is ridiculously hard to close now. I don't know if I like that, but like ridiculously hard to close. Anyway, we'll see how it works out. Have a good one.